Okay, hello everyone. This is Thursday, October 8th. I can't believe we're already in October. It's getting all rainy here in Portland. Trying to move down to the Tri has been more difficult than I've thought. Buying a house is actually a lot more difficult than I thought, but I'm gonna keep trying and keep plugging away. So there you go. This is just a quick short instructional video on how to start your lit review. And so what you're going to be doing is this Sunday you will have to gather two of your total 6 scholarly articles, and you're going to write a short summary, maybe 2-3 paragraphs on what the authors concluded, why it ties into your topic, how does it agree, disagree with your question. More on that later, but let me share my screen and I'll show you guys where to go. And I also apologize, this is supposed to be up a little earlier on Thursday. I was having trouble with my mic on my little HD camera here. And so I had to call one of my buddies and have him figure it out for me because I'm not too good with computers. So there you go. All right, so we're in assignments, and then you just go to the Lit Review Part 1 tab, and then I'm just going to read you guys what it says right here. So submit 2 scholarly sources that relate to your topic that you will be using for your final paper. The sources should be in proper Turabian format and can be submitted in a Word document. Use this link to ProQuest. So the ProQuest link is right here, and I already did an instructional video on how to do that. So if you're having trouble with that, go to I think it was my first lecture, and it'll tell you how to navigate that if you're having trouble. But so your 2 articles need to be scholarly articles, and make sure that your articles are within the last 5 years. So they need to be recent. It can't be like 2012. It needs to be like 2015 and above. And so make sure they go along with your topic and make sure they relate. And basically what you're going to be doing is writing a couple paragraphs on how it relates. Does it agree with your question? Does it disagree? How does it tie in to what you're trying to say in your sociological project? So once you find your 2 articles, you have to write a lit review, which is just a couple paragraphs talking about what you found in your articles. You know, what were the researchers trying to find? What was their goals? What were their results? How did they find it? What did the researchers conclude? Does it agree? Does it disagree with your topic? And then, so give me a summary and just tell me how it relates to your topic, how it boosts your research question in some way, or maybe not. And then 2 articles and a couple paragraphs for each one. So like I said, and make sure it's in Turabian format. If you guys are having trouble with Turabian, I would suggest going to see Corey, your writing teacher, or Daryl Pulse. Daryl Pulse is a master at Turabian, I've heard. I also am going to get an email from Kelsey. She is the other sociology teacher, and basically I think she has an example. So I'll put that up by probably the end of today, so you can have an example. And then if you're still having trouble, I would suggest going to see Daryl or Corey for writing help if you need it. And also, I'm always here as well, so let me know if you're having trouble. But yeah, I think that's about it. Everything you should need is right here, and you can use the link. This is just the ProQuest link, like I said, and you should be good to go. So let me know if you're having any trouble. But yep, 2 summaries due this Sunday. So there you go. And we're off. Goodbye, people.